Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're about to unbox a package that we have right here, and I've been waiting a lot of time for this, so I just took the whole package away, and here we have it, completely wrapped. The Dragon Hawk tattoo machine. Now if you guys already know what it is, but this is the Dragon Hawk Fold Pro. You can see it comes completely wrapped in plastic, and this machine has variable strokes, so you guys can adapt the stroke to whatever the needs you have. I read the reviews and they say it's a really nice machine, so we're about to open it up. Trying to get a smooth cut right here into the plastic. Comes some peeling time. You want to check what's inside. Satisfying. So here we have it. This is the box. It's a kind of a glossy black. Let's check what's inside. Dragon Hawk, the beginning is the peak. It says Dragon Hawk Tattoo Supply. See, the box opens like a phone box, smartphone. So you have the inside, small case, the top of it. Here we have some introduction, some manual maybe. The beginning is the peak, they say. Okay, very nice. They have the instructions right here. So function button, screen. You guys can see everything. It has 7 strokes from 2.4 until 4.2. The battery is RCA, which is nice because I have another battery for it too. I only bought with one battery, so I already have another one to replace it whenever I want. Charging interface, Type-C charging ports, RCA clip cords, because you guys can use this either with the battery or with the clip cords, which is very nice if you guys don't want to be using the battery all the time, but of course I would prefer the battery. So the stroke goes up to 4.2 millimeters. The motor type is cordless, which is very nice too. Then the battery capacity is 1500 milliamperes, which is, yeah, it's okay. For 5 hours, I guess it's okay. Not the best. Usually there are some other batteries out there with 2000, 1500. It's not that bad. So we're gonna put this aside. Then here we have the box. It comes with a small box inside too. Then we have some sponge, and here we have it. We have some little extra sponge right there. Not a big problem. Then some protecting sponge, put that aside too. Here we have the machine. Here we have the clip cords adapter, and here I guess we may have some cables. Yes, USB cables, USB cable, Type-C. It comes with the clip cord too. RCA clip cords. Wasn't expecting that. It's okay, it was written, but yeah. Very nice touch. USB power cable to charge. Then we have some extra parts right here. So let me put the cables back inside. Put this aside too. Here you have an extra wheel. This wheel is for the stroke. This kind of extra wheel. You can replace it if your wheel in this machine wears out, because this is plastic. So it's just an extra stroke wheel. Then you have some rubber bands. You can also replace inside of the machine. And some small keys to do all the procedure. So very nice. Next we have the tattoo machine itself. Oh yeah, let's go. It's kind of heavy, feels pretty solid. Actually, it feels very, very solid. Here it says Dragon Hawk 7 strokes length battery pen Fold Pro, which is very nice. Very, very nice. The only downside to this machine, I guess, is the RPMs. I thought it was around 6,000 to 8,000 RPMs that this motor has, but since you can adapt the stroke and everything, I think it's a must for any beginner or anyone that wants a new machine or needs a new upgrade. So for the price, it's very good. Here you can adapt, I don't know if you guys hear it, the needle size. You can adjust it, how long it goes. And here we have the stroke. You guys can change the stroke. Actually very silent. Very nice. 4.2, 3.9, 3.6, 3.3, 3, 2.7, and 2.4 millimeter stroke. Very nice if you guys want to pull some lines or do some shading, or even some stipple shading, some pepper shade. You guys can lower the stroke too. Of course, you guys can also lower the voltage. So here up we have the battery, Dragon Hawk 7 stroke length battery pen, Fold Pro, the USB Type-C, charging port. You can maybe turn it up. Okay, it's on 7.3 volts. You got a mini LCD screen, I guess. I don't hear the machine working. Oh, we pressed 2 times and it's working. It's very, very silent, I would say. I don't know if you guys can hear anything. It's very silent and doesn't shake at all. So very, very nice actually. Can press again, turn it off. Battery comes fully charged. Seems nice. Can adapt the voltage, plus, minus, of course. You may have some other programs and shortcuts, but I need to read more about it. So let's turn it off. And it can take the battery off. And it's very, very nice how this battery come off. It is kind of magnet, so it has some magnetism to it. So it just sticks to the top, which is very, very nice, I would say. Very slimless, very practical. It feels top quality, I would say. The whole machine feels top quality. It's made of steel, I guess, which is very, very nice. It's not that heavy, but it's not that light. It just feels very, very solid. Kind of like this matte finish. Here's some gloss finish, very nice. Here the magnetic battery, and you can change it if you guys buy with 2 batteries. There will come 2 batteries. I bought only with 1 because I have already an extra battery. Now I'm going to show the adapter, the clip cord adapter right here. You guys can use, it must be the same. Has the battery, you guys can plug it in up and just keep going. Very, very nice, I would say. It feels super amazing. The clicks are not super loud, but they are very subtle, very nice. Even the stroke, very, very nice. Okay guys, this is it for the unboxing. So guys, here we are. We're gonna test and pull some lines with the Mast Fold Pro machine right here from Dragon Hawk. We're trying to see how stable it is and how good it is. So I'm about to turn it on. Press 1 time to turn it on, then press 2 times for it to start. Now without a needle, the machine is very silent. With a needle, I guess you can hear it up. Now, this is a test needle I have here, so it won't be the smoothest. We are with a 3.9 stroke, 7.3 volt, and you're gonna try and pass some lines right here onto the fake skin. Trying to get some Vaseline too. Trying to see how good it is. Now the weight is very nice on this machine, I must say. Feels very nice in the hand. It's not too heavy, not too light. Seems perfect. I'm about to pull some lines. I'm using a round shader. You guys can see in there. Super nice to apply into the skin. I'm using a 3.9 stroke. And it is super comfortable to do any lines. Just try and do straight line in there so you guys can see it better. I have tried it before. You guys may want to pay attention to the stroke that the machine has. The higher the stroke, the harder the machine will hit the skin. So if you guys are a beginner and using 3.9, 4.2, you may notice a difference in redness and you have a less space for error, but the paint, the ink will also stay better inside of the skin, because the longer the stroke, the harder the needle hits the skin and the easier the ink stays under the skin too. But if you guys go too much over an area, you'll have a problem because you'll overwork the skin. Now I have made this right here before. I was just trying it out and I can say this machine is very, very comfortable. Now it is a bit dirty still because of the ink, but I'm in fact very, very surprised with this machine and how good it is for the price. So if you guys want to have a machine, you guys are new ones in the tattoo world, this is a very, very nice machine to start off. Very, very nice. Battery, adjustable stroke, pen style, comfortable in the hand. You guys can do many nice lines. It doesn't shake too much. It is a bit noisy with the needles, I would say, but it also depends on the needle cartridge you're using. But overall, very, very nice machine. I totally recommend it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in a second. Don't forget to like this video if you guys can, if you find this information useful. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell because more videos are about to come. So this was it. Dragon Hawk Fold Pro unboxing. Super, super nice machine. At least from the point of view that I have. So guys, I'll be testing it out. I'm making new videos soon. See you guys later. Ciao.